The health crisis in West Africa, Paul. A new report by a U.S. agency shows the number of Ebola cases could dramatically soar up to 1.4 million in the coming months. Figures show infections have only recently passed the 5,000 mark. So what's behind this huge spike?
Well, the U.S. Centers of Disease Control and Prevention says the estimate of 1.4 million is partly based on the premise that Ebola cases are vastly underreported. And it's important to note that the estimate only covers Liberia and Guinea, the two countries hardest hit by the epidemic. The CDC says it believes there could be up to 21,000 reported and unreported cases in those two countries by the end of this month. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization says the economies of West Africa are facing tremendous hardship, worrying the crisis will get far worse before it gets better.
We are now in the third explosive phase of growth of the epidemic. This is exponential increase, with hundreds going into thousands of cases per week. And if we don't stop the epidemic very soon, this is going to turn from a disaster into a catastrophe.
Officials at the WHO believe there could be over 5,800 infections and over 2,800 deaths in West Africa due to the latest and worst Ebola outbreak on record.